Welcome back to CraftiWorks. Today, we're diving into a delightful card-making project featuring a charming flower pattern. To begin, I've carefully created holes on the cards using a needle, allowing for precise stitching. You can easily download and print the pattern to follow along. Once the holes are in place, we'll start stitching the flower petals using a lovely pink floss and the lazy daisy stitch technique. Then, we'll add the soft green embroidery floss to craft the leaves, bringing our flower to life. With your creativity, this unique card will make the perfect gift for your loved ones. Stay tuned for more creative ideas and detailed tutorials here on CraftiWorks.